Hi, my food-loving friends. Welcome to another delicious video from Sepi Food. Today we're going to make a simple and tasty dish using puff pastry, so make sure to stay with me until the end. To get started, we'll prepare the filling first so the flavors blend nicely together. Take one medium onion, peel it, and dice it finely so it spreads evenly through the mixture and gives a better taste. Add the chopped onions to a pan and drizzle in some oil. Sauté over medium heat until they become soft and translucent, and release their aroma. Now it's time to prepare the garlic. For this recipe, we need 3 cloves of garlic. Peel them and finely chop so their flavor spreads evenly through the mixture. Add the chopped garlic to the onions and sauté them together for a few minutes. Let the aroma of the garlic and onions fully release and fill your kitchen. One of the most important ingredients in this dish is chicken breast. Take the chicken breast and cut it into small, even pieces so it cooks evenly and more quickly. Put the chicken into the pan and sauté it well with the golden onions and fragrant garlic until it gets nicely browned and smells amazing. Now it's time for the mushrooms. Take the mushrooms, wash them well until they're nice and clean, then chop them carefully and evenly. Not too small so they don't release too much water, and not too big so they cook properly. Just a nice, neat size so when you add them to the pan with the other ingredients, they look good and absorb all the delicious flavors. Add the chopped mushrooms to the ingredients in the pan and sauté them patiently. Let their moisture cook off first, then give them a good stir fry until they turn slightly golden and their flavor blends nicely with the onions, garlic, and chicken, so everything comes together perfectly. Now it's time to chop the pepper. For this dish, I use copia pepper because it gives a beautiful color and has a mild, delicious flavor. But if you don't have it, bell pepper works perfectly too. Just wash it well, remove the seeds, and chop it evenly so when you add it, it cooks nicely and makes the dish more colorful and appealing. After chopping the peppers, add them to the pan and sauté them well so they cook properly and blend nicely with the other ingredients. Besides adding great color and flavor, peppers are rich in vitamin C, help boost the immune system, are good for the skin, and contain antioxidants that are beneficial for overall health. After the ingredients have had a nice quick sauté and their aroma comes out, it's time to add the spices. Add the spices and stir right away so they coat all the ingredients without burning. This short sauté helps release their full aroma and makes the dish much more flavorful. After a few minutes of sautéing, it's time for the green onions. Take the fresh green onions and chop them into small, even pieces so they cook quickly and add a fresh, delicious aroma to the dish. They are rich in vitamins A and C, help boost the immune system, support healthy digestion, and contain antioxidants that are beneficial for overall health. Add the chopped green onions to the pan and sauté them gently over low heat. Give them a few minutes so their fresh, pleasant aroma comes out and blends with the chicken, mushrooms, and peppers. They don't need much cooking, just enough to soften slightly while keeping their bright green color, so the dish looks more vibrant and gains a fresh, delicious flavor. To give your dish a fresher, more pleasant aroma, you can use parsley. Take some fresh parsley, wash it well, and chop it finely and carefully. Chopping it small helps the flavor spread evenly when you add it to the dish, blending nicely with the other ingredients. Besides enhancing the aroma, parsley also adds a beautiful green color and makes the dish look more appetizing. Add the parsley to the ingredients in the pan and give it a very quick sauté, just enough for its aroma to release and mix with the other ingredients, but not too long so it keeps its fresh green color. Now we get to the fun part of this dish. Open up the puff pastry and gently roll it out with a rolling pin to make it a bit thinner and wider so it's easier to work with. Now it's time to place the filling you carefully prepared onto the pastry. Spread the filling in the center, making sure it doesn't get too close to the edges so it won't spill out when folding. Then gently fold the dough from the sides and shape it however you like. You can roll it, fold it like a parcel, or choose any style you prefer. Just seal it well so the filling stays inside and the pastry looks neat and beautiful. Thank you so much for staying with me until now and for all your support. Every like and comment you leave gives me so much positive energy. I truly appreciate you being here and supporting Sepi Food. Take 1 egg and separate the yolk from the white. Brush the egg yolk over the surface of the pastry, then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top so it turns beautifully golden and shiny after baking. Now place the prepared pastries in the oven. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes until they are fully cooked, puffed up, and beautifully golden on top. When the amazing aroma fills your kitchen, you'll know they're ready. Now our delicious dish is ready to be served and enjoyed. You can decorate it in any way you like and serve it at parties, especially at Christmas gatherings. Enjoy its wonderful flavor and the beautiful presentation. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I hope you make this delicious dish at home and enjoy its amazing flavor. Enjoy your meal! For more videos, subscribe to the Sepi Food channel and travel with me through the delicious world of food presentation.